Exactly, dog. That's what I'm trying to say.
Anye.
Ukuthi ntanga ungena entombazaneni ubona
Mara, where I can feel a hole.
Ile nto
I feel it up.
Ile nto engisho.
Yeah, where I can feel it, I feel it up.
Uvumelana. Uyazifaka ntanga.
Mara.
No, that doesn't mean ukuthi don't share that shit.
But do most men state the intentions from get-go?
It's better.
Uyabo? Ukuthi njoba sesihamba manje. Siba practical, my reality. Baby ni 700. Sakudate. Unemalini. Most men never ask that question. Uthi unemalini.
Ayathusa ndoda.
Uyabo? Mina I prepare ukuthi ngisho uthi singafiki later nge-ocean basket.
Sekushuthi 10 rand.
Ayiseke imali eBolt. And ima isenze ngicela yena phathi. Sifuba sasinda da inhliziyo isemadolweni. Cry. Mina I believe khuluma uzokali. If she doesn't like it down, it's fine because nami mfethu. Bear in mind sithola le strategy. I'm sorry. And the into ezohlukanisa ile esitholiwe istrategy. Uyabo? Solely because I never lived up to the intentions I said from get-go. Uyabo? I can take care of you. I'm not short on imali. Yabo. Now she knows. Maka short on imali. I do give la ngikhona ukumnika khona. But mango ukuthi okay manje ngiyabuka sengibuka no place. Ngiyakhuluma ukuthi hayi baby kuje. Yabo. Kungcono lapho ngoba lapho ucreate at least iplateau yokuthi
yeah, if you want
yabo.
to buy
Because now trust me, lento le it took me a while to mention it. And so baby ni 700. Duka isho tanga. Ngeke ndisinda kanjani ni 700.
Nangisho man.
And the pay in mind tanga. Bonga tshela umama wakho, yo mama ngikukwatela. Akukwatela umama wakho. Ndoda manje ula ucheri. Ula mfazi hayi ndoda. Yabo khuluma. Mongana into khuluma.
Yeah, mara vele.
Tanga like mina I think yabo lezi basibiza ngama fuck boy. Yabo lezi yiza manikazi ana ma intentions vele. Kuti baby mina nyasha. Simple.
It's baby mina nyasha.
Nyasha. Simple. Matata sandlula. Yabo. There's really nothing wrong with actually saying the truth.
Nindevele.
Inkinga kanye cala muso kavamanga. Yabo. Just to build a personality of ukuthi hayi beka man I can take care of you.
Mara chance only like ngoba nawe yakena ukuthi yazi afuna inyasha understand. My boy utholi
50 rand baba.
Afike ntwana yami.
Ubona kahle Texas.
Yeah boy. Mfana editor la mfana tips. Ela editor ntwana ukuthi masiphazamisa.
So yeah, true. I think that's a point of view. Go yabo. Yeah. Because like manje in this generation is phila good. Sinalento level ukuthi hayi abochera nyeke, hayi machita nyeke, yabo. The other gender says about the other gender nyeke.
Nah, the other gender it's
but in reality mfethu, you find njengami so you find it ngithola nochero spanayo. But social media is actually
yeah, influence.
I mean, I will never date a man who doesn't know what. But in reality, there are people who break a leg for good just to keep this thing going on. Yeah, but mara lento vele ibona ku social media.
Yeah, consider.
Really,
it's better nje ukuthi vele state your intention.
State it. If she approves it, good. Whether tanguhlalisana nwali, whether beki baba ku Bill Gates. Oh, and your dad is Bill Gates. Hala, shoot uzongifaka emsebenzini ukuthi ngikwazi ukunakekela. Yabo? But now as a child, don't live up to that expectations or ungaphili le attachment ukuthi hayi lesi sikhwama lesi. So, manje nje uphethe 20,000 lapha kuwe. Usuphuza amaphila manje. Yabo? Market angayenzi baby lento le.
So you feel like
entitlement. Yabo? Into zabantu. Jayam. It's like borrowing someone in to moteta mosoyifuna kwatela. How?
Lapho yakho dog. Sekumele ngilandelele wena manje.
Yabo. So ngasho ukuthi in relationship I believe to transparency. There is bona labantu. Sure bayasho ukuthi la bayahlanya. But crazy enough to do it. So
I feel I maramfana as in to conclude everything, Joe. As in state your intentions. From the word go.
Njengama-friendship tanga khona ukuthi sathina amashiteni mina tanga ngithanda amashita ini nacamba maka thina amashita ke we are one particular group masihleli namanye amadoda sikhuluma ama-intentions wethu namanye amadoda kuthi ye ndoda mina ngithanda indoda eyenza kanje uyangithola angeke uzobhema izolo phambi kwemili yakho nini mara beka iskate yo endoda faka 6 ntona yazini sengifake 24 da
Hey, machita vela week vele yo awake yo.
vele thina amashita tanga
Sweet.
abuhlungu
Sweet. Marantanga we are weak by choice.
by choice
But later ngisho ukuthi amantombazana ayikafaka isandla esikhwameni. Yithi sifaka isandla esikhwameni skip mali. Sibanike. It's all because now you like what you see what you like.
Because now if you can offer awumfethu mongafika ekhaya ngokunika iplate.
And when you offer, don't expect anything in return. Yabona offering you. Because now you're gonna buy her booze lapha eBahama and shit. But you expect ukuthi umntana abantu ayolala nawe because of 6 pack esavana. Nigga. Nah, dog. That's why you have to state your intentions before you tell leyo savana. Sengamana kuba if uyakubaleka ukubalekile.
Kufana njengale they gathered all really those chicks in one place amajita yangena vele na. Mayile enye vele ile esikhuluma ngayo is the ngathini the real guy. Bekutshwala yonke into. Okay bo baby. Sinthengele yonke into kusabhebhana namhlanje labo chero utanyenge ke ayeke ngizoprowa 2.5 mina ngifuna ukujoja manje mangilala ngilale nomuntu
state your intentions
yabo
elumjida lapho yake niwenzeni usize namajida amaningi usize namajida amaningi because now ama-chance at least azokena ukuthi yazi I don't have a chance vele nalo yamuntu lo yaseka decided but masibatshelile ukuthi from after drinking this mama we going to fuck it's a mutual agreement siyavumelana we go fuck in the morning bye balls simple mara manje uzoyispenda leyo 2.5 mntana abantu beceda data akafuni then you force yourself buye sekuyi-rape leyo chance state your fucking intentions Joe.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung